You want to announce?
Okay, guys, it is I, your host with the most from SGW Entertainment. Now, I didn't realize this was going on, otherwise I would have been here earlier. But I want you to check this out. Hold on. Look at these antique cars. Wow. Look at this. You don't see these anymore.
No, you just saw one right there.
Yeah, that's true. That is sharp.
Okay, do we have a Karen Slack here?
I don't believe it, guys.
Is that Karen?
Yes, it is.
Is there a Deirdre Keefe here?
It's the Geneal Lee from the Dukes of Hazzard.
Alright, we're going to call that one. They have their phone number there. Alright, thanks guys for doing our raffle.
Oh, this was the one that was on TV.
Apparently
That
I
got
got
old
mixed
crap.
up here, so we got to pick another ticket for this wash thing.
I wonder if it has the... And it does. Look at the back, guys, at the back end.
Pink tickets.
This was the only one used in the first
basket here.
episode, the pilot, because it has the two flag stickers on the back. You don't see that on most replicas. Look at this.
We're running into the same numbers over and over here. Same pattern.
Nice.
Oh, we got it. Hey, we got it. We got it. All right, Mike.
Look at that.
431. You got it, buddy. Okay. So we've given out all our stuff except for the trophies here, right? Okay. Wow, sorry. We usually a little more organized than this. I apologize. Trophy sponsor, you just pick some cars that they...
All right,
you know,
now guys,
for one
we're looking
reason
at
or another,
Herbie, the
got
love
to
bug.
ride. They were nice to her when she was walking around. I don't, whatever the reason is, right?
Look at that.
And then, you know, but we want to thank you for coming. That's the big one. We want to thank you for coming today. We want to thank Specialty Physical Therapy for kind of organizing this, help us kind of make things happen. Really, guys, it's because you do what you do that we're able to do what we do, right? And without you, we're nobody, right? So we want to thank you for that. You spent your afternoon with us. Hopefully we made you laugh. Hopefully we gave you some smiles on your faces, and some people came and talked to you about your car and some stuff like that. So thank you for coming. Thank you very much. We're very honored that you'd spend your day with us. Next week over at the Armory, right? Okay, so first trophy's going out to someone from Scranton, I believe Roland, with a 1957 Bel Air. Roland, are you here? All right. Congratulations, Roland. We got a trophy here for you, and we're going to have Kim hand that to you.
Bunch of nice cars. Look at that lowrider.
Okay, so I just want to point out that I don't work for Special Physical Therapy, but I'm the only one wearing their hat today. I just want to point
Okay, so
that out.
sponsored by Special Physical Therapy.
I got in trouble the last time I came and didn't have my hat. Hey, so anyway, the next trophy goes out to
parking lot.
a guy from Larksville with a 1951 Ford, Gary Williams.
All right, guys, hope you like this quick clip.
That's nice.
I enjoyed bringing it to you. Is I your host with the most? Bailing out. All right, one last overview. One look here. In the Midway Shopping Center. Price Chopper, you know, in the Price Chopper Midway parking lot. Got a nice lot of cars. Nice looking cars. All right, now we're out.